Welcome to Rick Riley's World here on Binder TV. This is Rick Riley. Hi, Rick.
How y'all doing?
Tell us about yourself a little bit.
Well, I guess probably some of you remember me from aggravating the crap out of people up the Nationals as the announcer. John hired me about 5 or 6 years ago. Of course, he's paying me the big bucks to do that, but that's how I can afford all these luxury vehicles. But anyway, we're out here in the shop here at the house. I've got a bunch of bad habits. Besides the Internationals, got Jeeps, of course Internationals, AMCs, trackers. I've just got too many bad habits that I can't get rid of. But as long as we're having fun, that's all that matters.
So how many do you have total?
Sometimes it just depresses me when I think about that, but probably about 85, 90. It's here and there, and then trailers, and then the barns. And
How many run?
they put me on the spot there. I'd say probably,
Half?
no, 75, 80% of them run.
Really?
Yeah, there's a few parts vehicles.
It must be Internationals.
No, I didn't say that. But anyway, but like I say, it's we're having fun doing this, and I guess when the fun leaves, some of this stuff will leave. I guess the older I get, the slower I get. But like I say, we're still having fun, so that's all that matters.
So what got you started collecting vehicles?
I got into cars back when I was probably the 5th or 6th grade. A buddy of mine had a little farm, his his mom and dad did. And they had an old Jeep, and I'd go over there and we'd play in that Jeep, and I always wanted one. And of course they had international tractors too, and one of the things, well, Jeep or international, and of course I went to Jeeps first, but always had the hankering for these old internationals, and I've got, I don't know, probably 50-50 internationals, Jeeps,
And AMC cars.
and AMC cars, and just plenty to work on.
And anything odd you like? Four-wheel drive trucks, that kind of thing? Big trucks?
I like the 4-wheel drive Paystars. One of these days, I think, owning a 4-wheel drive Paystars like something every man ought to have, just like owning a school bus or army truck. Every man in their lifetime's got to have one.
So tell us about the Miami Valley four-wheelers. When did that start, and what's going on with that?
I was one of the founding members of Miami Valley Four-Wheelers. We organized in '73. We've got property that's probably about a mile and a half from here. Our Jeep Club's got property about 150, 160 acres. We've been on there since 1973. We've got a campground over there, and we have events, we have swap meets. We used to hold races and stuff like that, but that stuff got kind of out of hand as far as insurance and all the stuff that goes with it. So we're pretty much a trail riders club with, we got all kinds of different vehicles in there. We got, of course, Jeeps, some Scouts, Broncos, Toyotas. It's just a general 4-wheel drive club.
Great. So we're going to look at your collection, and I guess the first one we're going to start with, this Scout behind you. Tell us about it.
Well, this is a '79 Scout diesel. I've had it about a month now, month and a half. I bought it from a respectable dealer up in Enon, Ohio. If anybody knows where it's at. But it's pretty nice. I mean, it's original old Scout. It's not been messed with. I've been to Indiana a couple times since I've had it. It's a good run old Scout. Solid. It's got a little rust in the rockers, but for a driver, and what I'm going to use it for is going to serve its purpose. I've had, I don't know, 3 or 4 different of these diesel scouts, and just like the oddball stuff.
Let's pull it out and take a look at it. So this is one of those you got a glow plug to get it started, huh?
Exactly.
So it's got the deluxe interior, it looks like.
Yeah. It was a fairly decent equipment for its day.
One owner? Sounds like it.
Well, that's what the salesman told me anyway.
Say you had it on a trip recently?
Yeah, we went over to Connersville, Indiana last Thursday with it. There's 4 of us in there, and they said this thing probably won't run about 55 or 60, and I got up to 80. They said they threatened to choke me out if I didn't slow down.
How about popping the hood? So this is a non-turbo, right?
Right. Yep.
How's it do?
It does okay. You know, you don't want to get in a great big hurry real quick, but once you get it rolling, it's good to go.
Well, thanks, Rick. We'll be back for your second vehicle here on the next installment.